Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Work on a level surface with the engine cold and the parking brake engaged. Park the 2011 GMC Acadia away from traffic. Gather a flathead screwdriver, 10 mm socket, extension and replacement bulb specified in the owner's manual. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and accidental daytime running light activation. Put on nitrile gloves to prevent oil transfer to the bulb glass, which can shorten bulb life. Keep a clean rag and a small container for screws and retainers so nothing is lost during the repair. Open the hood and secure it. Locate the rear of the headlight assembly behind the bumper area. On many 2011 GMC Acadia models, remove the air intake cover or plastic access panel using a flathead or by releasing plastic clips to reach the bulb well. Locate and unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab. Set the connector aside. Remove the metal retaining clip or twist lock socket. On some bulbs, push the clip out of its slot, then swing it free. And carefully rotate the bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Handle the new bulb only by the base or with gloves. Avoid skin contact with the glass. Align the bulb tabs with the socket, insert the bulb straight in, and rotate clockwise or resecure the retaining clip until it seats firmly. Reconnect the electrical connector, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the vehicle and test low beam and high beam operation, plus turn signals if applicable. If the beam pattern is off, adjust the headlight aim per the service manual, then reinstall any access panels and properly dispose of the old bulb in a sealed bag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.